Let me show you what I got so far. I don't have a good light, but I've got a little flashlight here. This is a differential I took out. You can see it's got everything removed. The only thing left is the casting and a couple of bearing races in there. One here, and two of them. One on the inside of the pumpkin, one towards the outside. It's hard to tell here, but you can see they're tapered, which makes sense, right? You draw the bearings together, and it takes up any play, and it creates a surface for the pinion to push against. Because as you can imagine, as it turns, because of the angle of the teeth, it not only gets radial forces on it in the direction of the light, but it gets axial forces as well. So it requires tapered bearings, not just bearings that take a radial load. And this is the crown gear, one side of the crown gear. Let me turn it around. Yeah, there's the side with the teeth, and this is the carrier that holds the smaller pinions that take care of the differential function. I already showed them to you last time. Anyways, the problem I had was over here. Oop, I got a mess here. This is the pinion, the input pinion, and right here where I got the light flashing is actually the inner race of one of those taper bearings. It had a cage full of rollers attached to it, but I cut away the rollers. And you gotta get in between, right there where the light is, between the pinion and that race, and it's a 1/8 inch gap pretty much. So that's why I need the bearing puller. Oh, here's the kit. Yeah, there you go, something like that. Yeah, that's a kit. It's wrapped in plastic. That's why I haven't opened it. I'm comparing the races as I take them out to what's in the package. But it's pretty complete. I don't think I need anything more. One more thing to show you. These are some of the parts I took off. None of the videos show this very well, but these are the adjusters. You can see they're threaded. See, none of them make very clear how that works. They're threaded. And here's the cap. And it's pretty evident from the cap how that functions. It's got threads. And it pushes, this threaded adjuster pushes against the outer race. And this is one of the two bearings that holds the spool, that holds the carrier assembly. And again, it's not shown very well in many of the videos, but these are tapered bearings. They're tapered. And they get tight when you press this outer race on top of it. So what those adjusters are doing, here, let me let go of the flashlight, is actually pushing down and tightening that up. Of course, you want it to be tight, but not too tight, and that's hence the threaded portion. That's it. Okay. Bye-bye.